Hi Draw So Cuties, Winnie here. It's that time of year again and my mini Draw So Cute calendar is back. It's time to say bye-bye to 2023 and hello to 2024. So let's get started. To make this Draw So Cute Mini 2024 calendar, just go to my website at drawsocute.com and you can print out these two sheets for free. The first part is the calendar itself, and all you need is an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper. And then the second part is the stand. So if you can, it would be best if you can find a slightly stiffer paper to print this part out. And so something like this, that way this stand right here can hold the calendar a lot better. So once you've printed everything out, the first thing you need to do is to color this part right here. And I recommend markers, like thinner markers, just because everything is really small. But of course you can use whatever you like, colored pencils or crayons. And once you've done coloring everything, you need to cut out each panel. So in total, you should have 7 panels cut out, so something like this. Then from there, I just want to talk briefly on how to make the stand right here. So with this stand, you're going to need scissors and some glue or tape to put this part together right here. But because I've been doing this for so many years, I'm just going to show you an older video on how to make this stand. So the stand right here, once again, if you can, please print it out on a harder stock paper, just so it works better. And our goal right now is to basically just go ahead and cut out all the solid lines, and then at the dotted line is where I'm going to be folding. From there, now that you've cut out all the solid lines, we're going to go ahead and fold this in. So I'm going to take this flap right here and fold it right at that dotted line. And it should fold right perfectly because you've cut these two little grooves in. Right at the dotted line. So I'm just going to go ahead and fold that down. So right there, and do the same thing on this side. So whatever, if you have colored stock paper at home, you can make your stand different colors, but I just wanted to show you on the white stock paper just so it's easier for you to see. And once you've done that, you want to go ahead and either tape or glue this panel right here together. So let's see here. I'm going to glue mine. Put a piece of paper underneath so it doesn't mess up my table. And I'm going to put some glue right here on the shaded part. And once again, you can either staple it or tape it together. It's all up to you. So from there, very simply, just go ahead and line up these two edges and press down and just hold it for a few seconds until it dries. And just like that, you have a little stand, nice and easy. So now that you're done creating the stand and coloring and cutting out everything, we need to put it all together. So in total, you should have 7 pieces. So January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, I should put over here, September, October, and November and December, and then the last page, which is just the special dates and notes. So now that you've done all that, we're going to, first of all, fold everything in half. So hopefully I'm just going to quickly fold this. And once again, cuties, make sure just go to my website at drawsocute.com and you can download this for free. Just my little gift to you every Christmas. And thank you for keep requesting my mini calendar. I must admit once again that I do continue to make this mini calendar because I want to gift something to you, but also I do use this calendar every day. So fold this one as well. I put it on my desk, and it's really neat because it's just small enough and doesn't get in the way. Okay, so now that you folded everything, oops, everything's out. What you want to do is lay everything in order. So let's start with January. Well, actually, you know what? We need to go backwards. I forgot about that. So let's start with the special dates and notes. And then we're going to go find your December and November. And we're going to have November facing you. And then there's going to be September, October. So have September facing you. And then there's July, August. So have July facing you. And then June, May. May faces you. And then here's April and March. March faces you. And then January, February. And last is January faces you. So now that you have everything together, you basically just plop it on this little stand right here. And you put it wherever you like, just like that. So sorry, the camera's up there, but hopefully you get the idea. And so once you're done with January, all you need to do is flip the calendar over, and then you have February. And once you're done with February, all you need to do is to take off this sheet. You can either throw it away, or what I like to do is just tuck it under and put it right back. And then you're going to March and April and so on. So once again, I really hope you love this calendar, and definitely let me know in the comments below what is your favorite month. And I really hope I've inspired you throughout the whole year, cuties, and thank you for all your support and love. And I really hope you love this gift that I'm making for you, and that you enjoy this calendar. Thanks so much, cuties, for once again, like I said, for all your love and all your requests and comments. I really appreciate it. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and I can't wait to draw more cute things for you. Bye-bye.